Severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Central Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Statesville, or near Lake Norman, 20 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Radar indicated. Minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations affected include Catawba, Lake Norman State Park, Sherrill Ford, For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Lake Norman, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from by a thunderstorm. Move to safety shelter now. You are close enough to not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Move to safety shelter now. Damaging winds. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Service by calling toll-free damaging winds. Or call into the National Weather Service by calling toll-free on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag WXGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Catawba and Iredell. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the Central Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Central Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
yeah,
a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Statesville, near Lake Norman State Park, moving northeast. Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southwestern Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hickory, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, radar indicated. Minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hickory, St. Stephen's, Canada, Longview, Bethlehem, Lookout Salesman, Millerville, and Mountain View. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building inside a vehicle. If on or near Lake Remember, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a thunderstorm. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you see thunder, you are close enough to be struck by a lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties. A thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Alexander and Catawba. The current time is 6:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is the No Weather Radio, All Hazards, WXL70 broadcasting.
And that's another SVR that has Catawba, the second one, on top of the other one they have that also has Iredell in it too.
Yes. The current time is 7:17 p.m. thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cabarrus County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, south central Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of downtown Concord, or 4 miles northwest of Mount Pleasant, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Granite Quarry, Rockwell, Mount Pleasant, Faith, and Goldville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-467-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSCSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cabarrus, and Rowan. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cabarrus and 9:30 p.m. Eastern North Carolina this evening. South central Rowan. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Northeastern Burke County and northwestern Catawba County in North Carolina when? Until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh, that is
Impacts, nuisance flooding of low-lying areas adjacent to streams and other forward
alright, so
areas, including farmland, parks,
3 SVRs.
areas, golf courses, underpasses,
Just only
parking lots,
3 warnings, but
isolated, shallow
in terms of what's going on so far, for the fact that there were 3 warnings,
low water crossings may become
things are getting
possible.
quite interesting,
Washout or two is possible.
even with such a low amount for works.